Hello, and welcome to Sleepy English. Today, we will slow down and learn a calm way to get ahead without stress. You do not need perfect days or loud effort. You need small steps that you can keep. If your phone steals your time, if you start strong and then stop, this simple plan can help. Breathe, listen, and picture how each part can live inside your normal day. Getting ahead does not mean moving faster than everyone around you. It means choosing a few right actions and doing them with care, over and over, for a long time. Most people wait for a big wave of motivation and try to change everything in one burst. They push hard, get tired, then stop, and soon they feel behind again. You can take a different path. You can move like a quiet river that keeps flowing. Small steps, repeated, turn into distance. Distraction is the main force that keeps people in the same place. Bright screens ask for your eyes. Notifications ask for your hands. Many tabs ask for your attention. A day can fade into small clicks that feel busy but build nothing. People who move far do not try to touch 1,000 tasks. They protect a few important tasks and give them full focus. They put gentle fences around their time so their attention is safe. They decide when to work, when to check messages, and when to rest. And they follow that plan most days. There is a simple pattern in results. A small part of your effort creates most of your progress. In study, one chapter unlocks many others. In work, one task serves your team or your customers more than any other. In health, sleep, light movement, and simple food do more than fancy routines. When you find the few actions that matter most, you can drop noise without losing speed. In fact, you gain speed because your mind stops jumping and starts going deep. Another quiet skill is the ability to wait for rewards. The easy choice is a short scroll now, a sweet snack now, a quick buy now. The wise choice is a small step now and a bigger reward later. People who move far learn to enjoy the feeling of starting today. They enjoy the cleaner energy from good sleep. They enjoy the pride of money saved. They enjoy the calm that comes from finishing one honest block of work. They still feel urges, but they do not trade long growth for short comfort. A growth mindset makes all of this lighter. You can choose to believe that skill comes from practice. You can see mistakes as lessons, not labels. You stop asking if you are talented enough and start asking what the next small practice is. When you hold that question, fear gets smaller and action gets easier. You take one step, and the step after that becomes clearer. Now, build a daily rhythm that lifts you. Mornings are a lever. When you wake, do not reach for your phone. Sit up, place your feet on the floor, and take a few slow breaths. Drink water. If you can, step into daylight for a minute. Your body understands the message that it is time to focus. Write one short promise for the day in a single sentence. Keep it small and real. You might promise 20 quiet minutes on your most important task. You might promise one meaningful page of reading. You might promise a light stretch. Place the tool you need in plain sight so the first move is easy. Begin with a 2-minute start. Open the file and write one true line. Read the first paragraph. Sketch one box or one arrow. 2 minutes feels safe to your mind, so you cross the wall at the beginning. Often you will keep going. If you stop, You still win because you kept your promise. This is not a trick. It is a signal to your brain that you show up. Repeating that signal changes how you see yourself. You become a person who begins, and beginning is the hardest part. Midday brings noise, so use short focus blocks. Choose one clear task. Close other tabs. Put your phone in another room or turn on a simple block mode. Set a gentle timer. Work until the bell. Then stand up, breathe, drink water, and look at something far away to rest your eyes. If your day allows, do another block. This is not dramatic, but it is deep. You give full care for a short time, then you recover. Most people never work like this. If you do it most days, you will pass them quietly. Treat your phone as a tool, not a boss. Decide when you will check it and when you will not. You might keep the first part of the morning and the last part of the night free from screens. You might place the phone out of reach during one focus block. You might tell friends when you will answer. These soft fences protect your attention and open wide space in your mind. In that space, good work grows. Evenings close the day and set the next one. Before bed, write one short note to your future self. Name the first small step for tomorrow and place the tool where your hands will meet it. Dim the lights and let your body slow down. Sleep is not extra. Sleep repairs your mind and locks in learning. Many people cut sleep and then try to think harder. You can sleep enough and let your brain help you. Food and movement are part of getting ahead. You do not need strict plans. Choose meals that keep energy steady. Drink water through the day. Take short walks or simple stretches when your mind feels tight. This care is not separate from your goals. A clear mind lives in a cared-for body. When your body is steady, your attention is steady, and your work is cleaner. Relationships lift you too. Getting ahead is not a lonely race. Share your small promise with a trusted person. Ask them to share theirs. Check in once a week. Speak with kindness. Do not use shame. A quiet circle keeps you steady when a day is hard. Most people try to change alone and quit. With support, you feel seen and you keep going. Hard days will come. Work piles up. A child gets sick. Travel breaks your rhythm. On those days, use a floor version of your plan. Breathe slowly, drink water, touch daylight. Do the 2-minute start and stop if you must. Put the phone away for one short window and rest your eyes. Write one line to close the day. When life returns to normal, lift your plan again. This bend protects the habit from breaking. Remember why this quiet plan moves you forward. Most people act only when they feel like it. You act even when you do not feel like it by making the first step tiny. Most people try to do everything and touch nothing deeply. You pick the few actions that matter and give them full attention. Most people chase quick pleasure. You choose small effort now and larger gains later. Most people see failure as a stop sign. You see it as a lesson and continue. From the outside, this looks simple. Over a year, it changes your place. Picture a normal day with this rhythm. You wake without a scroll. You breathe, drink water, and see the light. You write one small promise. You touch your main task for 2 minutes and slide into one clean block. Midday brings noise, but you keep one more block and take a light walk. Evening arrives and you write the first step for tomorrow. Then sleep on time. Nothing in this day is loud, yet it is rare. Most people do not stack quiet wins like this. If you repeat it, you rise. Choose a soft way to measure progress. Do not count hours. Count streaks of honest days. A streak of small, true days builds more than one long push. When the streak breaks, begin again without shame. You are not behind. You are training for a long, kind race. Each honest day is a vote for the person you want to be. Let ambition guide your direction, not your pace. You can hold a big dream and take small steps. You can want more and still be patient. You can respect the season you are in and still move forward. This balance keeps you from burning out and keeps you from giving up. It lets you make steady progress while others swing between flames and ashes. Keep a few reminders near your desk. Simple beats fancy. Depth beats speed. The first tiny step opens the door. Action creates clarity. You can try again tomorrow. When a day feels messy, these lines turn confusion into motion. A doable day, repeated, becomes a strong life. Think of growth like a tree. You do not shout at the tree to make it taller. You water it, give it light, protect it from harm, and keep checking on it. Most days, you do not see change. Then one season, you look up and there is shade that was not there before. Your job is to keep the care going. Time will do what time does. In the end, getting ahead is not about racing. It is about keeping your word to yourself, one small promise at a time. Keep walking while others nap. Keep focusing while others scroll. Keep learning while others boast. Keep resting so you can return tomorrow. If you do this, time will place you where you want to be. Thank you for listening to Sleepy English. Take one calm step today and meet yourself there again tomorrow.